Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Let's look at a newly appeared problem 3517, smallest palindromic rearrangement 1. First, let me read some notes about the plan for this problem. So this problem, this is a preparation for problem say 3518. So this problem 3518 is a little bit harder than problem 3517, because here we want to return the lexicographically smallest palindromic permutation of S. But in this problem 3515, we want to return the case smallest. So this is the one difference. The second motivation for this problem or plan is that use this as a digestion for the requirement of the two problems. So this is the second one. And the third one is that we practice sorted containers. Here we are going to use SortedDict. So actually, if you see this problem here, so SortedDict naturally suits this problem. So with that said, now let's look at the some examples. So here, this is just one letter, so it returns itself. So here A appears twice and B appears 3 times. But B, because it appears odd number of times, there must be a B in the middle, right? Then just return, we just need to arrange half of the remainders, because the next half, the suffix, will be a reverse of the prefix. So we have 1A, 1B. So if you use sorted order, which should be AB, therefore you have a B, then you have BA. So for this one, same thing. So you have A appears twice, C appears twice, and D appears twice. So you just need to build a prefix using ACD, right? But ACD is in lexicographic order, so you have ACD, and then reverse that, you have DCA. That's the return. So here the length is can be as long as 10 to the power 5, and the S consists of lowercase English letters, and S is guaranteed to be palindromic. So with that said, actually we know how to arrange it. So we get the lexicographically smallest letter, and then we put it into the prefix. Once we do the arrangement, and then we just reverse, and then we join to get the final result. And a special case we need to check is that there might be one letter, it appears odd number of times. So that one occurrence you should print in the middle. In that case, the corresponding palindromic string must be of odd length. So with that said, let me first write it like this. So we have SortedDict. So this SortedDict interface is in sorted containers, right? So I'm going to count the unique letters and the corresponding frequencies. We can use this collections default dict, or you can use counter, right? Counter S, right? So you can print out so that you know what this sorted dictionary is, right? So for example, I'm going to use this one, right? So we have A appears twice and B appears 3 times. Notice that A is in front. So similarly here, you have A, C, and D, right? So with that said, we can build a prefix, right? And then we don't care about the suffix, but it might possible we have a middle letter, right? So we have middle character, so we can set it to be none, right? And then what do we do? So for key and V in SD items, so here we are iterating over a sorted dictionary. The current key or the character must correspond to lexicographically smallest one, right? So then, no matter it's even or odd, what we want to do is prefix. So we want to extend how many number of times. So let me write something like this. So here we should write this character key, and the length would be v modulo 2, right? And then we extend this one to be temp. So add this, extend the prefix using the current occurrence of this letter. And then we just need to check if v modulo 2 is odd, so we can set middle character to be the current character. Actually, this will occur only one time, right? You can use a flag variable to see. You can see find is false, right? So you can see if not find, so now you find one, right? If not find, so then what you do? You do this, right? And then you send this. And if you do not find, you are going to check this one, right? Then if you set this one, you are going to set find to be true. But this is not necessary. But we can choose to add it. So once you have this, so what you are going to do is get the suffix. So suffix will be the prefix reversed, right? And then what you can do is this. So if middle character, so you can choose to say I can prefix append this middle character. And then what you do actually is just John, right? The prefix plus the suffix, right? So before we make comments, let's first run it. Yeah, it passes the 3 test cases. Now let's look at the generic case. Actually, it's very fast due to the use of sorted dictionary. So with that said, I guess that's about it for the current problem. So here actually we want to make a further comment. So the sorted containers like sorted dictionary, sorted list, and sorted set can be very powerful, right? And if you want to practice more problems, you can check our previous videos. There are several videos in which we use sorted containers. So with that said, I guess that's it for the current video. So next we're going to address problem 3518. You're welcome to follow up.